Right guys, so we're back with another video where today we are playing, wait, where's my, yeah, we're playing Clicker Heroes again. I was going to play Getting Over It, but one, it's pretty glitchy, and I've already made a video kind of on it today. Oh, there's time to beat this dude. Okay, you're dead. Maybe not. Okay. 10 seconds, nah, about, well, now. Come on, come on, die. Where's my ball? I need my ball. Oh no, damn it. Yeah, I killed him. Okay, my ball. Right, where's all that gold? What's this? A ball, okay. Oh. Come on, kill you. Okay, that's me. Time's up. Okay, anyway, let's go to stage 11. Oh, I just have to kill 10 of these again. Yep. Oh, I can buy this finger. Yeah, buy. Got it. What's that? I don't even need to touch it. Oh, sick. Oh my, destroyed. That thing's amazing. I'm telling you now. Like, I'm not touching anything. Like, it's like charging GoPros and phones and stuff over here. I can literally just, like, I can like do anything. Like, oh, well, these were charging already, but they're not charging anymore. Okay, fine. But the hand thing, can you work? Click storm. I want you to work. Okay. These things are easier to beat yourself. Watch that. See? Well, no, they're not, but like. Okay, 10 out of 10. Right. Okay, right, guys. Ooh, money. I need that money. Yeah, yeet. I've only done 2, that's impossible. I know that it sounds horrible for you guys, so I'm just gonna tap the keyboard now. I uploaded any sandbox videos today. I can do that. Jesus, just now. I can just keep tapping and. I broke the best Roblox game ever. But I get lost. Get lost! China! I'll throw a ball at you. Check out my channel, Kyle's Crud. Oh, he's actually got balls. Right, I could literally go onto Sandbox right now and like, I don't think I've uploaded this. Yeah. This is easy. Like, I'm just sitting here, playing Sandbox, uploading YouTube videos. This is amazing, like. Hey guys, anyway, so I'm literally just like being able to like tap and like play Sandbox, like sick dudes. You ask me. This is our last one. Yes, 10 out of 10. Simple math. This is terrible content. So I'm gonna put that away because the video won't even upload. Oh, can I make this bigger? Can I? Boom! No, I can't. Okay, right. There's someone breaking the best Roblox game ever. Do you want this again? Yeah, I've not got it before. Well, still. This is probably gonna be like an 8-minute video, maybe more, maybe less probably. Plus, I'm sorry, like, if the GoPro videos, I'll probably say a like, shouting on it. So, I don't know why I'm just upgrading Sid. It's probably because he's, like, so sick. I can just use all my money on him, like, whoa. I can't do it anymore, god damn it. How much money does this cost? 1,000 gold, that's simply easy. Oh no, no, I don't want that there, like, dude. No. Stop! What the hell? Go away. Okay, my face is everywhere now. Right, right, Tree Beast, you're getting upgraded. How much does this cost? You need to be certain. Oh, I need to be a certain level. No you don't. Right, oh, I wasn't gonna do that, was I? So go to it's oh come on, I want to use this, okay? Use the hand, use the hand. Right, use the hand. Right guys, so it's not working that well. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's only but yeah, I'll see you next one. Bye.